Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever felt like life threw you a curveball right when things were going smoothly? Maybe you've lost a job, been hit with unexpected medical bills, or found yourself drowning in debt. Well, you're not alone. Financial setbacks happen to the best of us. But here's the good news. Setbacks don't define your story. They can actually become the turning point that leads to a brighter, stronger future. Today, we're diving into how you can bounce back from financial hardships with resilience, optimism, and practical steps to get back on your feet. So stick around because this video might just change your life, the reality of financial setbacks. Let's face it, financial setbacks are a part of life no matter who you are. According to a survey, nearly 60% of Americans have faced some sort of financial crisis in their lifetime. It could be losing a job you've had for years, an unexpected medical expense that drains your savings, or even investing in something that didn't pan out. These moments can be incredibly overwhelming, and they can make you feel like you're stuck in a hole with no way out. But here's the truth, everyone. Yes, everyone experiences setbacks. The key isn't to avoid them. It's about how you respond when they come your way. Imagine setbacks like a storm. You can't stop the rain, but you can learn how to dance in it, shifting your mindset. Before we even talk about money, let's start with something that might surprise you, your mindset. You see, a positive attitude is more than just good vibes. It's the foundation of every comeback story. When you're facing a financial setback, it's easy to focus on what's going wrong. But I'm here to tell you that shifting your mindset is the first step to turning things around. Think about people like Oprah Winfrey, who grew up in poverty but went on to build an empire, or J.K. Rowling, who wrote Harry Potter while living on welfare. What did they have in common? A mindset that refused to give up. When they faced setbacks, they didn't let them define their future. You can do this too. It starts with telling yourself, this is temporary, and I have the power to change my situation. You write it down, say it out loud, and keep it in your heart. Because you're stronger than you think, and this setback is just a stepping stone to your comeback, assessing the damage, understanding your financial situation. Now, let's get down to business. If you want to bounce back, you first need to understand where you stand. Think of this like mapping out your road trip. You can't get to your destination if you don't know where you're starting from. So grab a pen, some paper, and let's take stock of your situation steps to assessing your finances. List out all debts, credit cards, student loans, personal loans. Write them all down, include the interest rates and monthly payments. Calculate your monthly expenses. Housing, groceries, utilities, entertainment. Get a clear picture of where your money is going. Review your income sources. Are you relying solely on a job, or do you have side gigs, investments, or passive income streams? Determine your emergency fund. How many months of expenses do you have saved up? If the answer is none, don't worry. We'll work on that. Remember, this part might feel scary, but it's just the start. Knowing where you are is the first step to knowing where you're going, building a game plan, the road to recovery. Okay, now that we've laid out the situation, it's time to create a game plan. The key to bouncing back from financial setbacks is having a plan that's practical, manageable, and keeps you motivated. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Prioritize your debts. Start with your highest interest debts first. Those are the ones draining your finances the fastest. The sooner you knock them out, the less you'll pay in interest. Look into balance transfers or refinancing options if they make sense for you. Step 2. Cut expenses without cutting fun. I'm not saying you have to live on ramen noodles and cancel every streaming service, but small changes can make a big impact. Try meal prepping to cut down on takeout. Look for free local activities, and set a fun challenge like no-spend weekends where you find creative ways to have a blast without spending a dime. Step 3. Find extra income. Think about starting a side hustle, yes, the side hustle. It could be freelance writing, driving for a rideshare service, or selling your arts and crafts on Etsy. Even an extra $200 a month can make a huge difference when you're focused on paying down debt. Step 4. Automate savings. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account each month, even if it's just $10 or $20 to start. This helps you build your emergency fund without having to think about it. Remember, a little progress is better than no progress. Developing resilience. Why mindset is key. Now let's talk about something super important, resilience. Financial setbacks can take an emotional toll, and it's normal to feel stressed, worried, or even hopeless at times. But guess what? Resilience isn't about being unbreakable. It's about getting up every time you're knocked down. Focus on what you can control. You can't change the past, but you can decide how you're going to move forward. And every step you take, no matter how small, is a step closer to your comeback story. Think of yourself as a rubber band. You might stretch and bend under pressure, but you won't break. You'll snap back stronger than ever. Real-life comeback stories, inspiring examples. To keep you motivated, let's hear some real-life stories of people who faced financial hardships but turned it all around. First up, meet Jason. After losing his job during the recession, Jason started delivering groceries to make ends meet. He soon realized he could turn his love for cooking into a business, and now he owns a thriving meal prep company. Then there's Sandra, a single mom who racked up credit card debt to keep her kids afloat. She learned about the debt snowball method, paid off one debt at a time, and even started a blog to help others manage their money. Today, she's debt-free and runs a successful financial coaching business. So there you have it, the steps to not just surviving a financial setback, but thriving afterward. Remember, your financial situation today doesn't define your future. You have the power to turn things around, no matter how tough it feels right now. It's about taking those small, consistent steps and believing that better days are ahead. Whether you're starting with $10 in your savings or paying down a mountain of debt, know that you're not alone. This is your journey, and you're stronger than any challenge life throws your way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little encouragement today. Let's build a community of support where we lift each other up, especially when times get tough. Remember, your comeback story starts right now, and I can't wait to see where it takes you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep pushing forward, keep believing in yourself, and keep turning those setbacks into stepping stones.